Hello, everyone. Myself, Professor P.S. Karare. Today, in bookkeeping and accountancy, we are going to learn about journal. So, without wasting time, we will start the topic journal. The problem number 3 in textbook, bookkeeping and accountancy, unit journal. Subunit problem on journal. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Ashok General Stores. Month and year 2019 May. Date of transaction date first. Received rupees 5,000 from Ram on behalf of Bharat. Find the two accounts. First account cash account and second account Bharat account. Received rupees 5,000 from Ram on behalf of Bharat. First account cash account and second account Bharat account. Cash account is real account. Cash account is real account and Bharat account is personal account. The rules of real account: debit what's coming and credit what goes out. In the transaction, cash comes in. Cash account debit. Second account Bharat account. Bharat account is personal account. The rule for personal account: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Bharat is giver. Journal entry 2019 May. Date first. Journal entry: cash account debit. Cash account debit rupees 5,000 to Bharat account. To Bharat's account 5,000. Narration: paying cash received from Ram on behalf of Bharat. Narration: first journal entry: cash account debit 5,000 to Bharat account, credit 5,000. Narration: bank cash received from Ram on behalf of Bharat. What is narration? Narration means explanation of an accounting entry. And second transaction, purchase goods for cash rupees 55,000. Purchase goods for cash rupees 55,000. First account purchase account. Second account cash account. Purchase account is nominal account and cash account is real account. The rule for nominal account: debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gain. In the transaction, purchase is expenses and second cash account is real account. Debit what's coming and credit what goes out. In the transaction, cash goes out. First account purchase account, second account cash account. Purchases account debit, date of transaction recorded date column date 4. Purchases account debit to cash account. Amount to be 55,000. Narration: bank purchase goods for cash. Bank purchase goods for cash. Next transaction date 8 May 2019. Paid for salary rupees 8,000. To find the two account in this business transaction: number first account salary account and number second account cash account. Salary account nominal account and cash account real account. Salary account is expenses, debit all expenses and losses. Salary expenses, salary account debit. Second account, cash account, debit what's come in and credit what goes out. In the transaction, cash goes out. Salaries, expenses, and cash goes out. Take down journal entry. Date 8 May. Salary account debit. Salary account debit. Salary account debit 8,000. To cash account. To cash account 8,000. Narration in this transaction narration, being salary paid by cash. Narration, being salary paid by cash. Next transaction date 12 May 2019. Purchase goods from Ganesh. Purchase goods from Ganesh rupees 30,000 on credit. गणेश कडून 30,000 रुपयाचा माल उधारीवर खरेदी केला आहे. Purchase goods from Ganesh rupees 30,000 on credit. First account, purchases account. Second account, Ganesh account. Purchases is expenses and Ganesh is the giver. Ganesh is the giver. First account, purchases account. Second account, Ganesh account. Journal entry, purchases account debit 2. Take down date 12. First account purchases, second account गणेश. कोणाकडून माल खरेदी केलाय? गणेश कडून 30,000 रुपयाचा माल उधारीवर खरेदी केलाय. म्हणून फर्स्ट अकाउंट परचेसेस, सेकंड अकाउंट गणेश. जर्नल एंट्री परचेसेस अकाउंट डेबिट. परचेसेस अकाउंट डेबिट. अमाउंट रुपीज 30,000 टू गणेश अकाउंट. टू गणेश अकाउंट 8,000. Sorry, 30,000. 30,000. Narration. Being purchased goods from Ganesh. Being purchased goods from Ganesh. Next date 17 May 2019. Sold goods to Miss Neha. Rupees 60,000 on credit. नेहाला 60,000 रुपयाचा माल उधारीवर विकला आहे. फर्स्ट अकाउंट नेहाज अकाउंट. सेकंड अकाउंट first account Neha account, second account is sales account. Neha's account, personal account, sales account, nominal account. Neha is the receiver. Neha is the receiver and second account sales account. Sales is income. Sold goods to Miss Neha rupees 60,000 on credit. First date 17. Neha's account debit. Neha's account debit. Neha's account debit rupees 60,000. Rupees 60,000 to sales account. To sales account 60,000. Narration being sold goods to Miss Neha on credit. Narration being sold goods to Miss Neha on credit. Next date 20 May 2019. Purchase machinery of rupees 80,000. Purchase machinery rupees 80,000 at 10% GST. GST means goods and sales tax. And amount paid by check. 80,000 रुपयाची मशिनरी खरेदी केली आणि त्या अमाउंट कशाने पेड केले? चेकने. फर्स्ट अकाउंट मशिनरी अकाउंट. फर्स्ट अकाउंट मशिनरी अकाउंट. सेकंड अकाउंट जीएसटी. Calculate 12% GST. 80,000 divided 100 multiple 12% GST is equal to GST amount 9,600. 9,600 divided 2 and is equal to 4,800 CGST. 4,800 CGST and 4,800 SGST. CGST. Input in CGST and input in SGST. 4,800. Find in the transaction 4 accounts. Number first account machinery account, second account input CGST account, next third account input SGST account and next account bank account. Journal entry machinery account debit. Machinery account debit. Machinery account debit. Machinery account debit 80,000. Input CGST account. CGST account 4,800 and input SGST account debit. Input SGST account debit 4,800. Payment paid by check. Payment paid by check. In second last account to bank account. Bank is the personal account. Debit the receiver. Credit the giver. Bank is the receiver. To bank's account. Credit total amount 80,000 plus 4,800 plus 4,800 is equal to 89,600. 89,600. Narration pay. Machinery purchase and paid amount by check. Machinery purchase and paid amount by check including 12% GST. Next transaction 25 May 2019. Paid to SG and Sons by check ₹30,000. कोणाला पैसे दिले? SG and Sons by check. First account SG and Sons account, second account bank account. SG Sons is the cash receiver. Second account bank account. Journal entry SG date 25. SG Sons company account debit. Amount to pay SG Sons company account debit 30,000. 30,000 to bank account. 30,000. Narration being amount paid SG Sons by check. Being amount paid by check to SG Sons company. Next date 28 May 2019. 28 May 2019. Issued commission ₹10,000 from Ganesh. गणेश को 10,000 रुपयाचं कमिशन मिळाले. Issued commission. First account cash account, second account commission account. First account cash account, second account commission account. Cash account real account, commission account nominal account. Commission is income and cash comes in. First account cash account debit to commission account. First account date 28. Received commission. First account cash account debit to commission account. Cash account debit to commission account. Amount rupees. Received commission 10,000. Narration being received commission. Narration being received commission and make date 30. Paid rent ₹5,000. 5,000 रुपये भाडे पेड केले आपण. Paid rent ₹5,000. First account rent account. Second account cash account. Rent account is nominal account and cash account is real account. Rent is expensive debit and cash goes out credit. Journal entry date 30. Rent account debit to cash account. Rent account debit to cash account. Amount ₹5,000. Narration being rent paid. Narration being rent paid by cash. You're paying rent paid. And last transaction date 31st May 2019. Purchase shares of Atul Company Limited. or rupees 10,000 through demat account. अतुल कंपनी लिमिटेड चे 10,000 रुपयाचे शेअर्स खरेदी केले. कशी केले? डीमॅट अकाउंट. परचेस शेअर्स ऑफ अतुल कंपनी लिमिटेड फॉर रुपीज 10,000 थ्रू डीमॅट अकाउंट. To find the two accounts. First account, investment on shares of Atul Company Limited account. First account, investment shares of Atul Company Limited account. And second account, डीमॅट म्हटल्यानंतर डीमॅट म्हणजे सेकंड अकाउंट बँक अकाउंट. जर्नल एंट्री इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ऑन शेअर ऑफ अतुल कंपनी लिमिटेड अकाउंट डेबिट रुपीज 10,000 आणि टू बँक अकाउंट. ट्रान्झॅक्शन डेट 31st. इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ऑन अतुल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ऑन शेअर्स अतुल कंपनी लिमिटेड. Atul Company Limited account debit amount rupees 10,000 to demat account bank account to bank account 10,000 to bank account 10,000. Narration paying purchase share of Atul Company Limited through demat account. Okay.